Namaste students, Krishna Vidya, I, JV and Dr. Vaijendra, Assistant Professor Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the myosin. Myosin are the superfamily of motor protein. Superfamily, the protein superfamily means the largest group of clades of proteins for which the common ancestry can be interpreted. So, superfamily of motor proteins. So, the motor proteins are the class of the molecular motor that can be moved along the cytoplasm of animal cells, and they can convert the chemical energy into mechanical energy work by hydrolysis of ATP. Like flagellar rotation is powered by the proton pumps, which is known for the muscles contraction and a wide range of other modality. The process in eukaryotes. So they are the ATP dependent and responsible for the actin based modality. So the term was originally used to describe the group as a similar ATPase found in the cells of both the striated tissues and the smooth muscles. So here the Pollard and Kohn in 1973, the enzymes of myosin-like functions have been studied with a global range in the diversion of the myosin gene. Myosin was originally thought to be restricted to muscle cells. There is no single myosin, rather than it is very large superfamily genes product sharing the basic properties of the actin binding ATPase hydrolysis. Okay. The structure and functions of myosin, here the domain for most of the molecular composed of head, neck and tail domain. So the head domain binds to the filament actin using the ATP hydrolysis to generate the force and to walk along the filaments towards the barbed positive end with then expectations of myosin 4 which moves towards the pointed end. So the neck domain acts as a linker and a lever and that transduce force generated by the catalyzing the motor domain. The power strokes which the muscles myosins 2 molecules generate from the skeletal muscles through a power stroke mechanism fueled by the energy released from the ATP hydrolysis. The power stroke occur at the release of the phosphate of the myosin molecules after the ATP hydrolysis, which myosin is tightly bound to the actin. So the normal here the skeletal muscles of the myosin, the most important myosin superfamilies due to the abundance of the muscles fiber. Myosin 1 is a cellular protein and function as a monomer and functions in the vesicle transport. It steps in 10 nanometers and adapted to respond to the stereocilia of the inner ear. The myosin 2, which is the myosin type responsible for producing muscles contraction in the muscle cells in most of the animal type and non-muscle cells in the contractile bundle called the stress fibers. Myosin 2 contains two heavy chains which is like 2000 amino acid in length and which constitute the head and tail domain. So the N terminal of the head domain and the C terminal tail take a coiled morphology here. So it contains four myosin light chains. Myosin 3 is poorly understood member of the myosin family. In vivo study shows in the eye of a Drosophila where they plays a role in phototransduction. In human homology genes, myosin 3 MYO3A has been uncovered through the Human Genome Project and is expressed as retina and cochlear. So the myosin 4 has a single icomorphism and the tail and lacks any coiled forms of the sequence. It may be homology to the myosin 7 and myosin 15. So the myosin 5 is unconventional myosin motor which possesses a dimer and has a step size of 36 nanometer. The myosin 6 have an unconventional myosin motor with primarily progressive dimer and a non-progressive monomer, which walks along the actin filaments and travels towards the pointed end. Myosin 6 uh, is thought to transport the endocytosis vesicles into the cell. The myosin 7 is unconventional myosin with two ferrum which ferrum domains are localized protein to the plasma membrane. Ferrum domains are the member of the cytoskeleton associated with the protein of with various interface between the plasma membrane. Myosin 8 is a plant-specific myosin linked to the cell divisions and that involves in regulating the flow of the cytoplasm between the cells and localizing the vesicles of the phlegmoplast. Phlegmoplast is a plant cell specified to the structure to form during the late cytokinase. It serves as a scaffold for the cell plates and assembly of the subsequent formation of the new cell wall separating the two daughter cells. The phlegmoplast can only observed in Phlegmoplastophyta in clades. Myosin 9 is a group of a single head of the motor protein which has a minus n direct, but it has a direct and the movement of the mechanisms is poorly understood. Myosin 10 is unconventional myosin motor which is a functional as a dimer. The dimerization of the myosin 10 is thought to be antiparallel. The behavior which was not being studied here. In the mammalian cell, the motor is found to be localized in the philopoda. So the myosin 10 walks towards the barbed end of the filaments. The myosin 11 is directed to the movement of such a plastate and mitochondria in plants, which is responsible for the light-directed movements and the chloroplast according to the light intensity and the formation of the which connects to the plastids. Here myosin 12, 13 and 14 as a group of Complexia phylum, which has a parasitic, evolutionary parasitic mode involved in the invasion. The myosin is also found in the protozoan. Myo18A gene on chromosome 17q11.2 that encodes the actin-based motor molecules with ATPase activity involved in the stromatal cell scaffolding the required for the maintaining the intercellular contact. Paramyosin is a large group of 93 to 150 kilodalton muscles protein, which has been described as in diverse invertebrate phyla. Paramyosin is responsible for the catch mechanisms, which is enables to sustain the contractile of a muscles and very little energy expenditures take place, such as the clam can be remain closed for the extended period. Paramyosin is found in the nematodes, annelids, mollusks, insecta, etc. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0, Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we'll discuss in the problem solving session. Thank you.